Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a huge holiday Forever 21 haul, and I wanted to start off by saying thank you so much to Forever 21 for sponsoring today's video. You guys are amazing. Growing up, there's always a huge Forever 21 like near me. Like, it was probably the biggest Forever 21 that you can possibly imagine, at least from what I know of. And there's this wall that had like these two models like plastered on the wall, you know, like their model billboard thing. And I always was like, wow, like one day I want to be a Forever 21 model. I know I'm not one yet, but the fact that they're sponsoring me today just means a lot. It's like very near and dear to my heart. My mom and I would always have like shopping trips, and the first place we would always go to was Forever 21 and just have like a blast. My OG subscribers will know that I had like bags and bags of Forever 21 clothes, and I was like, big Forever 21 haul time. Forever 21 this year is going to be your one-stop shop for all of your holiday needs. They have accessories, trinkets, dresses, and comfy clothes, coats, and they have luxury looking items, which is just a plus because I know whenever I'm shopping, I always want to get my friends and family like, you know, very top-notch, very expensive luxury items, but then you know it starts to add up because there's a lot of loved ones. I need to show you guys this coat in like just a second. It's so beautiful and it's super inexpensive. I'll be putting all the links down below for all the items that I got, but let's get started because I have a lot of things to show you guys. This is the first dress that I picked up. It's so pretty. It's like form-fitting, but at the same time it's like a little bit flowy, and I love how the back looks too. It just like, it's very flattering on the back. Like, it gives your body such a pretty silhouette, especially at the bottom. It like really accentuates the hips. Now this is a given. I feel like if you've shopped at Forever 21, like you just know that they have the best essentials, the best basics. This is a white crop tank. I love these. I have these in like almost every single color. I have all of their bodysuits. And the reason for that is because they're super comfy and like they don't stretch out all weird throughout the day, which is like one of my biggest pet peeves. And their jeans, guys. This pair of jeans is super freaking comfy. I got it, I think, like a size up. Just because I like my pants to be like extra baggy, and they have like huge pockets on the back. The wash is literally perfect. They have this, I forget what this is called, but this is like, this has a specific name to it. I love these a lot and they fit really nicely. I like how I can like have them up high, but I can also have them low. But obviously this top goes with absolutely everything. So I got this jacket that you guys are going to die for. This is the easiest thing to get someone for holiday presents. A big jacket. I love these. Just earlier I went to get my like food delivery in this jacket and like a tiny dress. I wasn't cold, insanely insulated, and it kept me super warm on a night out, like looking at the Christmas lights. Ugh. Very cute. Perfect for the season, perfect for a gift, but it fits really nicely. This is actually a small, and the oversizedness of it, I die for it. It's really cute. The back says Los Angeles Sports XXL. It's so cute, but isn't this a cute fit altogether? If you were to get someone this whole fit for Christmas, they would thank you because they would be wearing all these pieces individually everywhere. I'm gonna leave this up to you guys, but when I tell you guys have to run and pick up this pair of cozy little pajama pants, these are little Christmas bears all over the pants. I believe they have the matching top to this. I just didn't pick it up. I'm gonna have to pick it up the next time for sure. Almost like velvety type material. So this whole time I've been wearing my pajama pants up here like this, but you guys tell me if I'm wrong, because my friend actually told me that I'm not supposed to be wearing my pajama pants up here, that it's supposed to be down here. And I was like, okay, but why is there so much like material left over like in the center? And they're like, for comfort. But everyone knows that the best gift that you can never go wrong with is to get pajamas. I get pajamas from my parents every year, and let me tell you guys, I have the biggest pajama collection. I love super soft pajama pants and like wearing like a little tank top. Aren't they so cute? They look like pajama pants, but they're not. I did get these a size up too, and also look, they have like a stretchy back to them. I'm obsessed with these because I've always wanted to wear pajama pants out, but sometimes I'm like, that's gonna be a little tacky. So I found these pants and immediately I was like, add to cart, add to cart. These are like socially acceptable pajama pants, but they're actually pants. You can have these high rise, but I always love the low a lot better. And this is what they look like from the back. I already posted this picture on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't seen it, go see how I styled it. I love these pants so much. Now we have this blue dress that reminds me of like Cinderella. This is the type of dress that I would wear with like a big white fluffy coat. I don't have one with me today. I should have picked that up. White like luxury coat, and this is what the back looks like. You guys can't tell me that this doesn't remind you of Cinderella. There's like a big shiny bow in the bag, and it just like flatters all of the curves. I was like in a desperate need to find a perfect blue dress, but I couldn't pick between all three of them since they're all like completely different vibes, so you guys let me know which one you like. The good thing though is that Forever 21 is very affordable, so you can get all their dresses if you can't pick, and it's not gonna break the bank. I'm telling you guys, it's a different vibe. This one is a long one, and I really like this one, but I just feel like I probably want to pick up like a cinching little diamond belt, and also they do have those on Forever 21, so I'm saying like you want the accessories, you got the dresses all in one place. It's really pretty though. It makes me feel like a princess again. Like they all just have that princessy vibe, and it hits like a little bit past the knee. It's a very modest length and it's very beautiful. I really do like this one. You can do so many things with this look. You can either wear like a little knitted cardigan with it, or you can wear again a big coat. Very versatile. Dress it up, dress it down, or you can also wear these with sneakers. But while we're talking about accessories, you can't tell me that this bag isn't to die for. It's like this diamond out bag, but if you want to change up the look, you got the other side. It's plain black. That's what I love about this. I love a full blinged out bag, but if I have two different sides that I can switch off from, please. It's very different from like the style that I usually go towards, because you guys know that I love my bodycons, but I feel like this would be very cute because it's very like nutcrackery, it's very like wintry, and I just want to get out of my comfort zone sometimes. I think it's fun to experiment with like different vibes, different looks, and it's just so pretty. Like they also have this in pink. Let's get out of the comfort zone, stop getting pink, because your closet is literally full of pink. It's cute, it's very cute. This would be really cute with like if you guys have some like white gloves, if you guys pair it with like some Cinderella type shoes. Super pretty. You can either like tame it, but you can fluff it up to be extra like big and poofy, which I think is really cute. This dress is just simply something that you need in your closet as a staple, but that's why it would be the perfect gift and the perfect dress to get for yourself for the holidays. I'm about to show you guys the prettiest, most luxurious coat. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, I always feel like I want to get my friends something like expensive, designer, you know. This looks like I picked it up from a designer store. Your jaws are going to drop. This is a little black dress that has a ruffling right here, and then it's also very cinched in, but then it has like some wiggle room on the bottom. This is the coat I was telling you guys about. You can't tell me that this doesn't look like it's $300 bucks. Let me tell you guys, it's absolutely not. This is her on. Like this is the piece that you will need if you're gonna get any luxury looking item. I've been looking for a coat like this everywhere, and also the faux fur is extremely soft. Like it feels like it could be the real deal. This is the bag, and oh my gosh guys, this is super warm. Like I can go to a beach right now and I would be fine in this coat. It's that warm. There's nothing that I don't love about this coat. I think this is my favorite piece out of all of the items that I got out of this. And lastly, to end everything off on a pink sparkly holiday note, I have this pink dress, and it's all out of sequins. It's so beautiful. It has like this cowl neck. The back is pretty open and strappy, and it hugs the curves for sure. Importantly, it's also very comfortable. I feel like a lot of glitter dresses can be very itchy and like uncomfy, and you're just like, oh, I want to get out of this. Before I go, I do actually have two pairs of shoes that I wanted to share with you guys. These are some essentials that you guys will need. They're like a classic strappy heel that I've been searching for a heel like this for a while. Like my mom used to wear these back in like the 90s, 2000s. And we also have these loafer looking super tall heels. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Forever 21 haul. I really miss doing Forever 21 hauls, guys. It feels so refreshing and like nostalgic, so I'm definitely going to continue doing way more of them. All of the pieces that I showed you guys today will be in the link down below for your guys' convenience, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.